Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the Midas Minotaur token, also known as $Midas, a meme-coin operating on the Base blockchain. ETs explore what $Midas is all about. It's a meme-coin named the Midas Minotaur token, represented by the ticker $Midas, residing on the Base blockchain, which is Coinbase Layer 2 solution. It embraces a theme of Greek mythology, specifically Midas and the Minotaur, aiming to build a community-driven and speculative investment. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the high volatility and potential for financial loss associated with this type of investment. Now, let's unpack the Base blockchain. Base serves as Coinbase Layer 2 scaling solution, delivering benefits like lower transaction fees and faster transaction speeds. Although developed by Coinbase, it operates in a permissionless manner. Functionally, it rolls up transactions and settles them on Ethereum, making it appealing for memecoins due to its accessibility, affordability, and speed. Oh, you might be wondering if $Midas is available directly on Coinbase. Initially, it's likely not directly listed. However, you may be able to access Base tokens through the Coinbase wallet. You'll need to integrate your Coinbase wallet, potentially bridging assets to Base, or explore alternative exchanges to find $Midas outside of the Coinbase platform. Oh, how can you buy $Midas on Uniswap via Base? First, ensure you have a Coinbase wallet or another compatible wallet, and some ETH on the Base network, either obtained through bridging or direct purchase. Then, connect your wallet to Uniswap and switch to the Base network. Locate the $Midas token contract address, ensuring you verify its authenticity to avoid scams. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap for $Midas and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Remember to adjust the slippage tolerance for transaction success and be mindful of Base transaction fees, which are lower than those on the Ethereum network. Always double-check the contract address and stay vigilant against scams. It's vital to be aware of the risks associated with $Midas and memecoins in general. These include extreme price volatility, low liquidity that can hinder buying or selling, the risk of rug pulls where developers abandon the project with the funds, the prevalence of scams, a lack of real-world utility, and the danger of making impulsive decisions driven by FOMO, or fear of missing out. Oh, mitigate these risks. Here are some helpful tips for investing in memecoins. Conduct thorough due diligence by researching the project, community, and inherent risks. Allocate only a small portion of your portfolio that you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments across different assets. Stay informed by monitoring market and project developments. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and develop an exit strategy, being prepared to sell when necessary. Considering alternatives to $Midas might be prudent. Explore established cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Research other memecoins, like Doge and SHIB, comparing their strengths and weaknesses, and consider different Base blockchain projects, emphasizing diversification as a strategy. In conclusion, remember the highly speculative nature of $Midas and memecoins. It is very important to do your own research and invest responsibly. Do your own research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.